Welcome to another adventure into the heart of nature. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of birdwatching. Whether you're a seasoned birder or just starting out, birdwatching is an incredible way to connect with nature and witness the beauty of our feathered friends. The magic of birdwatching. Birdwatching, or birding, is more than just a hobby. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the wilderness, sharpen your observation skills, and appreciate the delicate balance of ecosystems. From the smallest hummingbirds to the majestic eagles, birds offer a glimpse into the diverse and intricate web of life on Earth. Every birdwatching expedition is an opportunity to discover something new. It's about patience, quiet observation, and the thrill of the unexpected. Whether you're in a dense forest, a serene wetland, or your own backyard, there's always something to see. Preparing for your expedition. Preparation is key to a successful birdwatching expedition. First, you'll need a good pair of binoculars. Choose ones that offer a clear and bright image with a comfortable grip. Next, grab a field guide or bird identification app. This will help you identify the species you encounter. Don't forget your essentials: water, snacks, a notebook for jotting down your sightings, and a camera if you're into bird photography. Dress in layers and wear neutral colors to blend into your surroundings. Where to go birdwatching? One of the joys of birdwatching is exploring new places. Birds can be found in almost every environment, but certain locations are particularly rich in birdlife. Forests are home to songbirds and woodpeckers, while wetlands attract herons, ducks, and other waterfowl. Coastal areas are great for spotting shorebirds, gulls, and sometimes even rare seabirds. National parks, nature reserves, and even urban parks can be excellent birdwatching spots. The key is to explore different habitats and visit during early morning or late afternoon when birds are most active. The birds you'll see. On your birdwatching expedition, you might encounter a variety of species. Keep an eye out for colorful songbirds like warblers and orioles, powerful raptors such as hawks and eagles, and the ever-charming waterfowl. Each bird has its own unique behavior, from the way it feeds to its distinct call. Learning to recognize bird songs and calls can greatly enhance your experience. It's like tuning into nature's own symphony. Tips for successful birdwatching. Here are a few tips to make your birdwatching experience even better. First, move slowly and quietly. Birds are easily startled, so take your time and be patient. Second, listen carefully. Sometimes you'll hear birds before you see them. Third, try to observe from a distance. Use your binoculars to get a close view without disturbing the birds. Remember, birdwatching is about respecting wildlife. Don't interfere with nesting birds or habitats. The more you observe, the more you'll understand their behaviors and rhythms. The joy of birdwatching. Birdwatching isn't just about checking species off a list. It's about finding peace and joy in nature. It's about those moments of connection when you see a bird up close, hear its song, and realize you're part of something much larger. So, grab your binoculars, head outside, and see what you can discover. The world of birds is waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this birdwatching expedition. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nature adventures. See you in the wild.